Welcome back. You're watching Formnext News, brought to you straight from the Frankfurt Fairgrounds with the latest and upcoming stories from the world's leading exhibition on all things additive manufacturing and the next generation of industrial production. My name is Shristi M, and these are today's top stories. Formnext spearheads into day 2, and here is a small recap and outlook. Yesterday at the AM4U stage, the top female leaders of 3D printing came together in an interactive panel and discussed intensively about industry applications. Several ladies from the community offered their insights on career opportunities for women in additive manufacturing. Another highlight was an exciting unveiling ceremony. Oila's world premiere attracted a huge crowd of spectators from all over the fair premises. Oila is a prototype combining an e-bike and electric vehicle, featuring a chainless electrical drivetrain designed by Berlin-based innovation studio and Frontier. Presented in cooperation with 3D printing partner Stratasys. Bottles of sparkling wine popped at the Permundus Challenge 10-year Jubilee celebration, where winners from the past decade reconvened to celebrate the uphill evolution of additive manufacturing. Thomas Luc, Head of Innovation and Sales at Curb, explains the thought behind it.
The Permundus Challenge is a design contest for additively manufactured products.
And the last 10 years have been a journey for additive manufacturing.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. Definitely they have. And that's what this retrospective view of the different winners of the last 10 years really show, that there is a development and that it has come to real manufacturing, to real useful products.
And how have you seen additive manufacturing progress over these past 10 years?
Well, generally a lot, but people look as well at the applications as how to combine material and process, as how to make a really good design, and because at the end it's a design contest.
At after-work talks presented by Frank Jablonski, Petra Harburger, president of Messago, emphasized upon the importance of spreading the network of additive manufacturing. The talk round discussed the development of the AM market internationally, in particularly about the United States. Doug Woods, president of Association for Manufacturing Technology, said,
"We have a really big market already, so it's easier for many of our new companies to get started and have sufficient market just in the United States. But the reason they come to things like Formnext, it's in as much they want to be able to prove that they can sell their products in Germany and Europe, because that's pretty difficult sometimes for smaller, medium-sized American companies. It's as much this event. This event is the premier event. If you want to show off that you're great in anything from materials all the way through to service bureaus and everything in the middle, for additive manufacturing technology, you want to show it off here."
How was the mood at the fairground? Spread across 4 halls, exhibitors from all over the globe have set up colorful stalls displaying the creme de la creme of 3D printing technology, which drew in thousands of 3D printing enthusiasts. Our camera team picked out some trends and product reviews for you. Munich-based Fraunhofer Institute for Technological Trend Analysis have put up their powder nozzle tech up for display. Engineer Moritz Greifsue lists out the nozzle's top features.
So that is a nozzle for additive manufacturing. The special thing actually is this little box here, which is screening the powder cone. So it's characterizing the quality of the nozzle. So we could detect, for example, if there's any abrasion or something like that, we would have to change the nozzle, because its lifetime is over, or there was some clogging or whatever.
Next, we have the Heron, an industrial robot AM cell produced by Caracol. For its production processes, the Italian 3D printer manufacturer uses extrusion 3D printing technology, designed with an approach based on applications in mind. The technology already combines over 29,000 hours of printing and has found intensive application in industries such as aerospace, automotive, energy, marine, and more. It can process a wide range of polymers and composite materials in pellet form.
Close to the aerospace industry, we are working today mostly with molds, trimming molds, lamination molds for composites, for example, but we are also looking at functional application in the future. So we're engineering new materials to move from tooling to functional parts. That's the big bet of our company.
RevoPoint Pop 3D scanner is designed with binocular structured light and uses reverse engineering. The scanner ensures that the 3D point cloud data is on point. The highest single frame accuracy can reach up to 0.3 millimeters. This device supports both high precision and texture scanning modes, used to generate vivid 3D models for color 3D printing. The EvoTech stand houses a ginormous drone, built keeping lightweight technology in focus. Lucas Meinhardt shares with us its central hallmarks.
Yeah, we got here a very interesting drone because most of the parts are 3D printed and are designed just for the 3D printing process. So you can see here, we got here a very lightweight design and it's printed with carbon fiber filament. So it's very strong and yeah, it weighs about nothing, so it can carry a huge load.
Now on to some pointers for tomorrow's upcoming events. Make sure you do not miss these. Keep your eyes peeled for exciting presentations by partner country France in the afternoon at the AM4U stage in hall number 11. Here also, visitors can attend the Discover 3D Printing seminar, sharing knowledge about basic technology aspects of additive manufacturing. Last but not least, we have the BEAM Symposium at 10:30 a.m. at the Portal House at the Frankfurt Fair Room, Frequenz 2. With these top stories adding wind to our sails, I wish you a successful fair day ahead in the Formnext arena. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. You'll find the links below in the description area. Until then, stay tuned and keep thinking three-dimensional.